All right, good morning, boys and girls. It's Tuesday, September 15th. We're going to get started on our grammar. So you will need to grab your grammar notebook. I'm going to switch over here to our camera. Maybe if I could find it. All right, so we're going to be doing our grammar book. Okay, so grab that and then get your folder that has your papers in it and grab out this page, the verb page. It's kind of a lime green color. Okay. All right. And then you'll need a pair of scissors and a glue stick and a pencil or pencil would be best. So grab those things real quick, pause the video, and then when you have all of your materials, come back and we will get started on this. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is we're cutting on the outside. So I've already started cutting here and started cutting across here. And then I realized, wait, I should try to do this with you. And then let's turn it this way. We're going to cut along that line all the way to the end. And cut along this black line right here all the way to the end. So when you're done, you have this piece of paper. Okay. So if you need to pause, you can do that. When you're done cutting it all the way out around, push play again. You're going to, now this is important that you follow these directions so that everything comes out the right way. We're going to go right in the middle and cut up to the top and stop. So it doesn't go any further than the top right there. Okay, then you're going to turn your paper, take your scissors, and go in here. You're going to cut over to right here, not all the way. We don't want to cut here. We want to be able to flap this open. So you're only going to cut to this line right here. Okay, then you're going to go to the middle and you're going to stop right at where my thumb is and stop right there so that it's still connected. And then that way, look, I have a window and a window that I can fold back. So the windows are right here. So now I'm going to do it to this side. Turn it, go to this top part, cut just to that other line and stop. In the middle, cut just to this line right there and then stop. We don't go all the way across. Now, if you have a mistake and you go all the way across, it's okay. You're just going to be gluing. This is where the glue goes on the other side. We're just going to be gluing on that side. So before I glue it in, I'm going to bend back my little windows here. Okay. And now I'm going to grab my grammar notebook. Open up to grammar. Okay, we've had our noun page, and then yesterday we did some writing with verbs, and then on this page we're going to glue down our verb paper. Okay, so I'm going to turn it over, turn up my glue just a little bit. We don't want it sticking up too far. Okay, then we're just going to put some glue on this top part. Okay, and then I'm just going to go down these sides right here and down this side. Okay. Okay, so those are the only places that have glue. And then I'm going to flip it over, take the top, get it lined up. And then I'm going to line these up. Line this one up. Okay, so that it's laying like that, so I have these little doors right here. Okay, so go ahead and get that done and push pause if you need to. When you're finished, we're going to take the glue, screw it down so that you can't see it anymore, put the lid on it, and snap it. Okay, put scissors away from little brothers and sisters if you have those at your house. And then we're going to grab a pencil and we're going to write some sentences underneath these windows for our verbs. All right. So looking at the picture with the dog, he has his leash in his mouth. I can turn this over. We're going to have to think of an action word. So how about we say the dog carried his leash. Okay. Then we're going to underline our verb. What he did was he carried. So that's an action, to carry something. The dog carried his leash. Okay, make sure you hit pause if you need to. I'm going to move down here to our little piece of pizza. Okay. Maybe we could say, we ate pepperoni pizza on Saturday. Put a period there because that's our sentence. We ate pepperoni pizza on Saturday. What is the thing we did? What was our action? We ate. Okay, get that copied down so that you have both of these in your book. And then when you're done, we're going to flip over here to this side. We have a little sign that says camp. Okay. Maybe we can say, I camped in the backyard. Or maybe you want to say, this summer I should have gone to camp. Something like that. Okay? And what's our action? We camped. Okay, so underline that. All right, we're going to go to our little bouquet of flowers. I picked flowers for my mom. I picked flowers for my mom. What was the action I did? I picked. Underline picked. Okay, make sure you have that written down. All right, so when you're finished, it should look like this. We have our 4 sentences under our windows. Okay. All right, looks like I need to put a little bit of glue on that side right there. Okay. All right. You can fold it back down and close your book. All right, good job. We're going to continue. We're going to get out our vocabulary next. So I will see you. I'm going to come back here. I will see you in our vocabulary video, or maybe I'll see you in your morning work video. So whichever one you go to next. All right, do your best and make sure you watch every video and do all of the things with me, and that'll make it a lot easier. All right, thank you, boys and girls.